Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it. Yeah, picked it, mate. Hello and welcome to the channel. I am PickedItMate, and today we are picking this rather beautiful burg wachter trophy sent to me by the amazing Zfiend from the Tool UK Discord. So thanks very much for this lock. Absolute beautiful lock, really fun to pick. I've picked it a load of times before, so just to let you guys know, it's not my first time picking this one. I picked it loads. It's really fun, but I've never actually had it on camera, so fingers crossed that we get it today. So let's get this in the vise and see how we get on. Right. There we go. Get a nice angle on it if we can. I think we're around about there. Let's have a look, see if this shows. Yeah, it's about in focus. It's about as good as I'm going to get it. Right. You see a lovely wide open keyway there. I think it's 5 pins. I'm pretty sure it's 5 pins. I said I picked it a load of times, but there we go. Let's have a look at my thickest bar because I know that we need that. Let's go in here. There we are. 1.2 mil. Chew, blast me. 1.2 mil bar. The Mad Bob's one. And it fits kind of made for it really perfectly. Really well. Right. Let's get cracking with the knacking and see what we can come up with. So we got nothing on 1. Something on 2. We'll give that a little go. Okay, 2 done. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. A little something on 5, and it just sent us into a false set. Give it another go. It's interesting. 5, okay. Back to the front. A little tickle on 2 that time because I massively overshot it. Got our false setback. Don't know if I'm feeling 1 there. Not quite. 2. It's almost certainly a spool. Okay. Bottom on 3. 4's way down the bottom there, like it wants to be picked. Let's have a look. See what we get from that. No, not quite. I think I was picking the wood in there. That's pin number 4. Right at the back, I can feel that. Pin number 5 really wants to be picked there. Is that high enough? I think it's high enough. Going back to the stack again. Pin number 1. Give me something, I think. We'll come back to that. It's really high up. Nope. Okay, let's change picks. This one, see if we need any reach to it. Okay, yeah, pin number 1's definitely wanting something there for sure. Yes, okay, pin number 1 again will have been a spool. That's set now. See where we're at. One near the backs. Don't know if it's 4 or 5. Hanging right the way down on the warden. I'm thinking it's probably going to be that one. Check the others first though, just in case. Yeah, that really wants to be picked. It's talking to me. There we are. That's pin number 4, by the way. Just sort of scrubbing back through. Pin number 3. false set. I think number 4 has just dropped. Yes, it has. Go again with it. I get enough. Don't know if I'm getting enough on that. Yes, I am. That was 4. Pin number 2 again, so I think I may have just dropped some. Which is what I find on this one is it's very pick one, drop one, pick one, drop one. It's a lot of fun, as I say. Really, really enjoy this lock. The only one I've got, it's the only one I've ever had. But I wouldn't hesitate to try another one. It's a hell of a lot of fun. Can't be gutted, unfortunately, so I'll never know what's inside of it. Other than the gut feelings of what's there. 70 spools in 1, 5, 2. It's probably a spool hunt all the way through, to be honest. There we are, pin number 3. Pin number 4 again is right the way down. Okay, I'm going to leave it alone for a sec. See if we can get 5. Okay, get 5 first. 4's kind of disappeared. 3 again, tickling. Massive false set there. Things are about to fall out here, so let me just grab something that'll keep it in for a sec. Yeah, just give it a wiggle. Cool. Back in business. Let's try the Tickly Teardrop first, which is what I tend to go for straight off. Like 7 minutes into the video here, so bit of a long one. I do apologise, but we'll get an open nonetheless. Today, I can feel it in my bones. I didn't sneeze on camera for nothing. There we go. Okay, so we've lost our big false set. I don't go anywhere near number 3 again because it's just going to come back. Maybe it should do. We'll see. Let's have a scrub through. Yeah. Number 4. Massive amount of counter rotation there when I was pushing on it. Yes, there we go. Happy days. And we got this little beautiful thing open. Fantastic. So for those who wanted to know, it's the Burg Wachter Profi 116/40. See if I can get it in. Yeah, 116/40. If anyone's got them, and if they also had fun with them, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And tell someone that you love them. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you again in the next one. Goodbye now.